Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. We just beat Milford 2-0. Goals by Osuna Polisi, Tsepang Moremi. I'm with Dlamini. It's good to be back, my man.
It's good to be back. All I can say for now is amen. Amen. Madoda iPirates inhle bafethu. Pirates inhle ngalendlela leyo ukuthi sinabo Jude Bellingham lapha dancing. Siphethe uphakela umthakathi lapha emuva usiyema. Hayi sinzima kakhulu. Sinzima amabhakaniya. Le season hayi khona. Osibambele bunzimeni. Wadu, you are doing a great job, my guy. Bringing these young boys to this level. You are the best. You are one of the best, Wadu. Yes, we do disagree with Wadu sometimes, but Wadu, you are the best. Wadu, you are the best.
Treble the champion.
Treble champions. Yes, we will struggle in Africa with these boys, but I'm telling you, the Premier League will stay in Orlando. Come next season, this time, we'll be still champions.
No, I mean, we saw Tito being stretched off. Obviously, that's going to be a problematic position because obviously we used to have Rayla in that position, but it's no more. What do you think, coach, in the next game, Agaba Creative, who can he put there on that number 10 position?
I will struggle. I was looking at Tito first half, second half. He struggles a lot. He struggles to create, he struggles to pass the ball, everything. He's struggling. That's why I'm pleading with Tito. Tito, we need the ambulance back. We are tired of Travis Scott. He's not doing anything for us. Tito, we love you, boy. Mbutuma, watch football. Mbutumi problem yake akabukeli ibhola. Mbutuma can be a quality striker for Orlando Pirates. It's just that he lacks watching football. He doesn't watch football. He's not creative as well. He's not moving as a striker. He's not taking shots as a striker. He's not committed as a striker. But you, my boy, Mbutuma, we love you, but you need to take your career serious. You can't play like this week in and week out. It's your second season in Orlando Pirates, wearing number 9, playing like that. We love you, but you are costing us sometimes.
Obviously, bought Sebastian, there's Radio Man, there's Evidence Mahopa. Surely, coach must make some change of some sort. Who would you trust with that position?
For now, let's trust Mahopa. Mahopa is a quality striker. I don't care who says what. Mahopa is a quality striker. Give Mahopa a chance. Give him time like you gave time to Mbutuma last season. You will see, it will pay off. It will pay off, Pagani.
Last question, Dlamini. We saw a ticket in Fetu going from 60 rand to 100 rand in Fetu. Bayasbulala labantu.
Bayas Kawata, but security Orlando is not doing a great job. One of these good days we will lose people. So lahlekelwa abantu abaningi ngoba hey security yase Orlando it's not at the quality that it should be. The arena is doing everything to make Orlando Pirates fans happy, but the security is failing everyone. It's not failing Orlando Pirates. It's failing the people who support Orlando Pirates, who come to the stadium each and every week.
No, thanks, Dlamini.